everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and today I'm bringing you along on another What We Eat in a Day video. One of the things that I really like to do to start my day is to, first thing in the morning before I have any food, drink fresh squeezed lemon juice in some filtered water. I really love this for just a really nice start to the day. It's supposed to be really beneficial for your liver. It's supposed to really wake up your liver and just be a really nice, gentle liver support. So since I'm always kind of have supporting my liver in the back of my mind, this is something that I like to do every single day. For breakfast today, I wanted to change it up a little bit. We had been doing eggs, waffles, and bacon or sausage and sauerkraut or kefir for a while, kind of just mixing those around. And today I wanted to change it a little bit. So I am cooking some sausages. I am toasting some of our sprouted sourdough spelt bread. And then, so having that with a bunch of butter on it, and then some sauerkraut brine along the side for some fermented food. So changing it up a little bit from what we've been doing lately, and that's what we're having for breakfast. I've really been liking sauerkraut brine for fermented food. Our homemade sauerkraut ended up with a lot of liquid. I like to make it in a big 5-gallon crock. And so when I went to transfer it to jars, there was a lot of brine in there, which is great. So a lot of times instead of having sauerkraut, we'll just pour little jars of brine and have those alongside of our meal. For lunch today, we're doing what we almost always do and having leftovers. I really love keeping it really simple. If you guys have been with me, you know that this is what I like to do. I like to do a breakfast and then a big dinner, and then make sure that I make enough food to be able to have for lunches as well. That really cuts down on time in the kitchen, makes it easier, and it works really well for us. So today we're having a few different things. We have a little variety of leftovers here. I am having some leftover beef stew. So this was made with some beef neck bones. So it's got some nice meat stock there, nice and jelly. And then it also has some beef stew meat in it, carrots, peas, onion. It was made with bay leaves. So that's really delicious. And then I also have a little bit of these sourdough spelt noodles. So these are little alphabet noodles. I get these from the same place that I sometimes get sourdough bread from, and they're really fun. And so I'm just adding some of those to my soup as well. And then I'm going to pop that into the toaster oven to heat up, and then enjoy that with some extra fat added to it, some butter stirred in. My kids had a little bit of cheese, some of our raw cheddar cheese to eat a little bit before this because they were starting to get a little bit hungry. And a couple of them also had a little bit of kefir as well, some milk kefir. And then they are having some leftover pizza. So this is made with the sourdough spelt pizza crust, and some natural pepperoni, our raw cheddar, and some tomato sauce on there. So we're heating that up, and then they're also having some carrot sticks along with their pizza. And then my kids are also having a tangerine as well with their lunch. And then for fermented food, we're doing the sauerkraut brine again. And then for dinner today, we're doing something really fun. We are making sushi. So I'm actually making a video of this for you guys. Somebody had a really great idea for a GAPS version of sushi or a sushi bowl, and so I am taking that idea and making sushi. So this is going to be a whole video dedicated to sushi that's going to come out next week, I believe, in my content calendar schedule. So definitely be watching for that if you're a sushi fan. And in the meantime, that's what we're having for dinner tonight, because I'm filming this video and then we're having it for dinner as well. So just to quickly go over what we're doing, we have the nori wraps. We have two different versions. We have one with regular sushi rice and then also one with cauliflower rice for people who want to avoid rice. And then we have some special raw salmon and some avocado, cucumber, and then I made a spicy mayo with some GAPS sriracha stirred into our good mayonnaise that we have drizzled that in there, rolled it up into the roll, sliced it. Oh, and I also added some salmon roe in there too. So this turned out really good. All of those flavors together, we loved. We thought that were super delicious all together, and it was so fun to be able to make this ourselves at home because we do love eating sushi from a restaurant every once in a long while. So it was really super fun to be able to make it ourselves and be in total control of the quality of all the ingredients. And then we have some coconut aminos that we served this alongside, and some pickled ginger. And coconut aminos are not something that Dr. Natasha likes on GAPS. I know that some people use it on the GAPS diet, but she has said that she doesn't like it and does not recommend it for GAPS. I do believe, as far as I know, that it's a good option for Weston A. Price, Nourishing Traditions type of eating. So that's what we have alongside it. Super delicious. Everybody really enjoyed it. And then for dessert, we're having a berry tart. This is a really delicious GAPS treat. I actually have a video on that. And it's just a really nice like Larabar type of a crust with dates, nuts, coconut, and then cultured cream whipped up with some raw honey and strawberries sliced on it. So that's what we're having for dessert today because we have some of that left still from when I made this for another video for you guys. Okay, hope that you guys enjoyed coming along for another What We Eat in a Day video. As always, I love all your guys' comments and video suggestions, so definitely keep those coming. Be sure and check out that description box for links to free ebooks and other goodies. I have information down there on my GAPS 30-day meal plan. I have my membership with live Q&As with me, and then information on how I can help you follow the GAPS diet. So definitely check out that description box for all those goodies. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like it, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.